So we're gonna go ahead and swap it out, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's get it. All right, so we get this hood up. This car only got about what, 124,000 miles, 124,000. We're gonna have to get back here. The cat is actually located in the back, and we're gonna have to get it from the top, get it from the bottom, get these bolts and all of that. So I should try to show you that right there. That's the cat right there. O2 sensor is inserted. Got our bolts. We got 4 bolts, so we're gonna have to get to them. And you can see these holes right here. That's where they're located, how they're positioned. So it's gonna be some tight spots, but we're gonna have to get it. So what I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna go ahead and take the air intake box. Let me go ahead and get that out. So I took that clip off. There's a clip here. Got that off. Now back here is a T30. Right there. Get that. After that, we got that clip here. Get that hose off. So got that off. So you just gotta squeeze it, and then it'll open up and it'll clear. It's like a clip on the top and the bottom. Went ahead and removed the engine cover using a 16 mil wrench. Break that free. You're gonna pull it towards you. Should be able to get the other one like that on the bottom. You're gonna see. So I put a ratchet on that so we can work it out better. Now you can use some PB Blast. Went ahead and sprayed some on there. I should have put it on, sprayed it on there beforehand, but I just got lucky and it did break free, and I ain't stripped no bolt. But this one came straight out. This one came out like that. And we're gonna work on the other two. I have to get behind here. I want to show you this here. I got a wrench on that other one right there. And it's a little ironic. I didn't think I was gonna get it on there, but hey. Alright, I tried that for a second. It's kind of tight. That O2 sensor is in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the O2 sensor. Alright, this is a brand new one. Just replaced this recently. Alright, worked out a little better. Was able to see how that wrench is right in front of that, where that sensor was. Alright, we swapped it out, got the ratchet on there. Thank God we got room to work that off. Alright, that's the third one. And that bottom one seems like it's gonna be pretty easy. All right, and that worked. Thank God, thank God. Go ahead and back it out with the ratchet. And that's all 4 of them. That one came out whole. So, looking good. We're gonna get up under it, jack it up. All right, we got the skid plate at the bottom. This little cover. We got a few screws that are T25, and then we have a few that are T45. Get on up under here. Now we got right here, this is little brace. So that right there, 13 mil, another 13 mil. Get those out, remove the O2 sensor, remove that one right there. Alright. And back here, it's a clamp. A clamp right there. O2 sensor out. As soon as we get those bolts out, see that drops down. And we're working on that back there. It's 13 mil, 2 bolts. And you can see the cat from here. Now, if we had this thing in the air, we can get to those bolts a lot better, I think. But yeah, mobile mechanic style, baby. We on our back. Let me show real quick. This is what I ended up doing. Spread these open here. When you loosen it up, spread it open. And that way you'll get some twisting action. Alright. Now, I also took the this piece here, took it off so I can get some room when I push it forward. So basically what I did was I took my foot and pressed on the muffler, and with my other hand, the front of the cat, I pushed on it forward, like towards the front of the motor, and I was able to get it free. Don't look too bad in the inside. But it only threw the code maybe once that she can recall. I know I saw the code and erased it. We even replaced the upstream O2 sensor so we can make sure it doesn't come back, and hopefully it'll stop the jerking and the hesitation when you're accelerating. But I'll take this piece off right here. I'll use that, put it on the new end, and onto the new piece. Get a new clamp, new gasket. And it looked like that clamp right there is going to go here, and this clamp is going to go at the end. See that one further down in there. This one is right there. Interesting. Different little setup, but wonder if it'll fit. Should fit. Alright, this is the old gasket. This is reusable. This one right here, it's pretty tough right now, but when it get hot, man, this is gonna start. Look at that. I'd rather use this over that any day. Alright, we got it up. I ain't put the bolts in there yet, but I got that in there. Go ahead, piece the rest together. And we in there. The rear is tight. Got that clamp tight. And those two 13 mils holding that bracket tight. So I wanted to show this real quick. Alright, and you can see that wrench is on there. I got the open end on there because the closed end wouldn't go over, because you can see how close that bolt is to the cat this time. It wasn't that much. It actually had more space. It was clear on the other one. So, you know, this got a different little pattern or design. So back in there, and we're gonna fit put everything back together up here. Hose clamp pliers. Get you some. About $40 at AutoZone. Cause these gonna be a bitch to get them back on. These clamps. Yeah, so invest in some of those to make life easier. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. You're gonna see a little smoke, which is gonna be fine. It's gonna burn off. It just comes from the grease from handling it. And I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, pull up, King.